Hey, Cordell here with smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website, videos, articles, variety of things on buying and managing small apartments. I also have a free report that talks about 20 essential reasons to own apartments. Check that out, get your copy. In this little video series, I'm talking about tips. I'm just going to give one tip at a time. And in this particular video, I'm going to talk about systems. And it's important to have systems in place, systems for everything. So there's no guesswork or what needs to be done or what to accomplish. And to run efficiently, every business needs to have systems. It matters big time. So systems in regards to rental policies, maintenance, like if you do preventive maintenance, when is your schedule? What does your schedule look like? Management, financial reporting. What is the system you have? So if you have a property manager managing your property, what system do you have in place that you keep them accountable? How often do you guys meet? So there's a variety of things that you need to standardize and put down. Put it on a calendar and look at it all the time. So you already know what to do, how many times to do it. And any of these systems are weak. If you have non-existent systems, then that means that your investment, your business, which apartment is, it's a business, cannot run efficiently or optimized like it could be. Always remember that apartments, it's not just an investment, it's a business. And every single business needs to have standards and processes. That's it for now. Check out the website, smallapartmentinvestors.com. See you soon. Take care.